on camera now.
All right.
So we've got both units hooked up.
Mm-hmm.
And on the ohmmeter.
Yeah, with both floats at their peak, we have about 8 ohms. And then this is the top one, which slowly would deplete. And then at the bottom there, we have about 65 ohms, at which case this one is going to start to deplete, going up to about 240 ohms.
Which is typical of the gauge. So, and we know we have full range or resistance in both the units. So it looks good. Yeah, I think according to the schematic provided, they're operating correctly. That's wonderful. Is that it?
And the indicator for the light does also work. I can show that one here.
And Corey said that there was a wire in the loom for that, so it just grounds it, right?
I need to. Yeah, which you can see. One sec.
So now you're just looking for a ground signal, right?
So here we have, it's no contact, and then we have, when it gets to the bottom, we have
Contact.
No resistance.
So surprise, the engine stopped, you're out of fuel.
Yeah.
Can you adjust that to just before? Can you adjust the contact to just before you're out completely?
It is.
Oh, it already is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's within a couple of, an inch or so of the bottom.
Right.
All right. Got it. All right, that sounds good. All right, let's seal it up. Thank you.